All right, today we got a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. This is a WILLYS edition. This is painted in a hydro blue. Got a couple aftermarket upgrades. Got an open road winch. Got some Thompson Baja Legend tires. Still got the factory wheels. These are 35s. Some power steps. Or I'm sorry, not power steps, side steps. Also got a Fox shocks, a little bit of a lift going on. Kind of give you an interior shot as well. Got some blue accents to match the exterior. Got aftermarket bumpers. The previous owner also installed looks like a 10-inch, maybe an 8-inch sub. It's a really clean build, you guys. Come and check this one out at Cross Jeep. Be sure to check out our website. Thank you all.